Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the GoPro HERO9 Black, a waterproof action camera that's designed to capture stunning moments in incredible detail. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can check the latest price and availability for yourself. So, what exactly is the GoPro HERO9 Black? This compact and robust camera is engineered to deliver top-notch performance whether you're hitting the waves, biking down a mountain, or simply capturing everyday adventures. With features like 5K video capability and a 20MP photo resolution, this camera is a powerhouse for content creators and adventurers alike. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this action camera. First up is its ability to shoot in 5K resolution. This means you can capture stunning video with incredible detail, making it perfect for those times when you want to zoom in on a specific moment without losing clarity. Whether you're filming a breathtaking landscape or a thrilling sporting event, the HERO9 ensures your footage looks crisp and professional. In addition to video, the HERO9 Black excels at photography, thanks to its 20MP SuperPhoto feature. This allows you to take high-quality photos with vibrant colors and sharp details. The camera's intelligent processing automatically optimizes your images, so you don't have to be a pro photographer to get great results. Another significant enhancement is the introduction of a front display alongside a larger rear touchscreen. The front display is particularly useful for vloggers and selfie enthusiasts, as it makes framing shots easier than ever. The rear touchscreen is also user-friendly, providing intuitive controls and the ability to use touch zoom, simplifying your shooting experience. The HERO9 Black also supports 1080p live streaming, so you can share your adventures with your audience in real time. Combined with hypersmooth stabilization, you can be assured that your live broadcasts will look smooth and professional, even if you're on the move. Hypersmooth 3.0 is the most advanced stabilization technology ever put into a GoPro, making your videos look incredibly steady, no matter how bumpy the ride gets. For those who love capturing the essence of time, the Time Warp 3.0 feature allows you to create mesmerizing time-lapse videos while you're on the go. Whether you're hiking through a scenic trail or driving along a winding road, this feature adds a creative touch to your content. Now, who is the GoPro HERO9 Black suitable for? This camera is perfect for adventurers, outdoor enthusiasts, travelers, and anyone looking to document their life in high quality. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves capturing moments, this camera fits the bill. Practical use cases for the HERO9 are virtually endless. If you're a surfer, you can capture those thrilling waves while the camera withstands the water. Mountain bikers can film their rides down challenging trails, and travelers can document their journeys in stunning detail. It's also great for family outings, where you want to capture memories without worrying about the weather, thanks to its rugged and waterproof design that withstands depths of up to 33 feet right out of the box. In conclusion, the GoPro HERO9 Black is a remarkable action camera that combines advanced features, durability, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to elevate their photography and videography game. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of activities, ensuring that you can capture every moment, no matter where life takes you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.